Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can integrate these two powerful tools, which is Tribe Architect and Getresponse, and create a lead generation flow. Alright, so first, the requirements is to have a Tribe Architect, alright, Tribe Architect installed in your WordPress website. 2 pages, the landing page that will serve as your opt-in page. Second is the thank you page, kung saan ito yung magiging confirmation page, right? And of course, the Getresponse as your email marketing platform. Now, first thing we have to do is to design or create those pages into required pages. So here in landing page, let's edit this one with 5. Then here, you have the option to choose the normal page or the pre-built landing page. So here, let's select one of the templates. Here, let's click here. And let's look for a lead generation page. All right, then select that page and apply the template. Okay, once you have all these required pages and required platforms, first is you need to integrate your Getresponse to Tribe Architect. So once you're logged in to Getresponse, you have to go here, the menu, and integrations and API. So what we are looking here is the API key. So let's click on API, then click on Generate API key. And let's name this my API key. And click on Generate. So you will see a combination of numbers and letters. So this one, just copy that and go back to your WordPress website and scroll down dito sa ating Tribe dashboard. You will see here API connection. So let's click on Manage Connections. Then click Add New Connection. Select for the Getresponse. You can type in here Getresponse, right? Then the version 3. Click on or paste the API key and click on Connect. Once done, right, just click that Done button. Next step is to create a list inside your Getresponse. By default, once na mag-subscribe ka kay Getresponse, merong default na list na gagawin. But you can create one para mas malinaw for you. So let's name this one as testing list. So let's create that. It's already taken or testing list tutorial, right? Great. Once it is created, you need to create a email flow, all right, the workflow. So let's go to menu and select the automation, right? So once there, create workflow, you will be asked to choose a template. So this is a welcome email or the first email na marireceive ng iyong subscriber. You select the welcome template and use the template kung ano yung prefer mo. Let's use this one. Alright, so here, kanyang workflow, you will be asked again kung saang list. So, pipiliin mo dito yung list na ginawa mo. So, select the list, which is specific, the list of testing list. Alright? After that, select mo yung message. So, here, you have to create a message kung ano yung ipapadala mong email after nila mag-subscribe. So, let's create an email. This page, let's name this welcome email. Then kung saang list, right? And what email, kung saan siya galing. Of course, you have to sign up using your webmail, or just in case you sign up using your Gmail or Yahoo or other emails, you have to link a webmail or the business email, okay, para mag-trigger to. Then subject line is the thank you for subscribing. Okay, now let's design the email. Let's select blank templates. one of the blank templates here. So we can create a pure text. Okay. You can upload your own logo. If you don't want your logo to appear in the email, you can select that page or that element, disable the link, and do not show the logo. Right? So text lang dito. Click on the layout and drag and drop the text element. Right? So let's draft a message. Hi, then the name of the subscriber. You can select this for the personalization, the first name of the subscriber. Then let's make a message. Thank you for subscribing to my list. As promised, here's your free course or ebook. So, lagay ka ng link dito like click here to access. Right? So you just have to highlight the phrase and here yung chain icon, the link. You can attach the link here. So let's just say after nila mag-subscribe or yung download niya is makukuha sa Google. Alright? So example lang ito. So when they click this link, dadalhin sila sa Google. Alright, so once they are settled, so this is Homer. Alright, let's change the color, black. Alright, then next. Once nakapag-draft na tayo ng message or email, you just have to click on save and finish. Alright, so settle na yung ating workflow. So let's publish this one. Okay, so okay na ang ating Getresponse setup. Let's go back to our WordPress. So here, we have two pages, the landing page and thank you page. So the landing page, let's launch this one in Tribe Architect. Here in Tribe Architect, you can load different templates na magmamatch dun sa iyong brand. So this one, pwede ko itong palitan. Itong looks and feel niya right now, I can just click here and select one of the pre-built pages. Say ito. Then I can go here and select this template. So automatically, mag-a-apply yung template na pinili ko. Alright, once done with the design, ang isang importante dito is to set up a form, which is this one, the form, alright? The lead generation form. Because this one should be linked doon sa ating Getresponse. So select the lead generation element and here, nakikita mo dito sa left side, when you click the menu, you have to select yung connection, which is API, then add connection. So let's select the Getresponse and yung ating list. So testing list tutorial, ito siya. Mag-trigger siya day 0, meaning instant. Alright? Once na mag-subscribe siya, today niya rin ma-receive. Or after niya mag-subscribe. Alright? So apply. Dito naman, sa successful submission, we can redirect them sa custom URL, which is the thank you page, or we can simply show success notification. Success notification, ganito yung itsura niya. Sign up successful, like that. But here, we want them to drive doon sa ating thank you page. So let's redirect sa custom URL and paste natin dito yung URL ng thank you page. Balik tayo sa thank you page. Here, sa view, right-click, then copy link address. Go back to that page and paste the URL and save the work. Right. So we are done sa open page. When we design this thank you page from the list now, so let's launch the Tribe Architect again. We're going to select another template, which is here. This one, and apply template. So everything in this page can be edited, right? So you can customize all of this. Now, once we have this thank you page, let's save this one. So the final step is to test all the function or to test the page na ginawa natin. So let's copy the link ng ating landing page. Alright? And dito tayo magsa-sign up. So my name is Homer. Then yung email na gagamitin ko is homerbonifacio12@gmail.com. So I will click the sign up button. Alright, so I am redirected to this thank you page, right? You can customize the message here kung ano talaga yung instruction mo. So now, to see if this is working, let's check our email. So ito yung email na ginamit ko to sign up. Let's refresh this one. So we have here, this is the message here. So, hi Homer, thank you for subscribing to my list. As promised, here's your free course or ebook. When I click here, I am redirected to the Doodle. Okay, so the flow is working. And now, the final check is to go to our get response to see if na-add itong email natin. So let's go to our list. We should be seeing one, right? So we now have one, and let's check the list. And ang laman niya is the email that we use, the homerson.bashit.gmail. So that's it. That's how you integrate this Tribe Architect and Getresponse and create a simple lead generation workflow.